Hi, I'm Adam from Guardian Bikes, and today we'll be replacing a saddle on a Guardian Ethos bike. What we'll need to use is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 6mm Allen wrench. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and loosen up the reflector. Move that out of the way. And you're going to take your 6mm Allen wrench and get to the bolt that is underneath and begin to loosen that bolt. Keep loosening it until you can turn this top part perpendicular, and then you can take the saddle off. Take your replacement saddle, set it back onto those grooves, move that top plate back over the rails, and then begin to tighten down that bolt underneath. Make sure it's good and snug. Once you have that lined up and snug, then you'll just reattach your reflector. And you're all done.